first $500 online is very, very doable because it's something I've done and something I've tried myself, and it actually worked for me. A lot of persons out there feel that it's very, very difficult to get to do this, and there's no way. And a lot of people that say they make money online, they're scammers, and the people don't really make money online. It's like a lot of people make legitimate money online. It's just for you to put in the hard work and stop looking for a very quick way of making money online. A lot of persons get scammed because they're actually looking for the quickest means and the quickest routes to make money online. So today I'll be showing us a process in which we can make our first $500 online. And and note that with this what I'm teaching you, you don't need to have any skill, you don't need to own any skill. With this model I'm teaching you, you can start making money without having a skill. So the first thing we have to do in this model is actually get to know how to get these clients we'll be working with. Yes, that is the first part, or the first aspect of this. When you get to know your clients, get to know the platform you're working with, how you can get these clients and start making money is the first thing. And if where are we talking about today is Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace whereby we can get freelancers in order to work with. So before I continue, my name remains Sylvester Isunyo, and what I teach on this channel, I teach us money making tips and and tricks and all that stuff in making money online. So with that being said, I'll continue with our video, and today I'll be focusing on the ways we can actually make money without having to do the job by ourselves. So what's the first thing we have to do? The first thing we have to do, as I said earlier, is we register on a particular platform, which is Fiverr. So Fiverr registration is very, very easy. I have videos on this channel that talk about how to register on Fiverr, so I'll put the link in the description below. I'll show you how to I'll show you what we are going to do, how to register on Fiverr and start making sales on Fiverr. So that is the first thing we are going to do. After getting to register on Fiverr, the next thing we are going to do is, how do we get to be visible and get this client? Okay, fine. Getting this client is now the next step. And how do we get to do that? In order to get this clients, the first thing we need to do is know how to promote our services on Fiverr, not just listing our service on Fiverr. I've listed my service on Fiverr. How do I promote this service? And that calls for the next what we call it, the next question, and the next aspect of the process is about promoting. So there are ways you can promote through Twitter and through Instagram, and you get people to see your service on Fiverr. And when they get to see your service on Fiverr, from there you get clicks, you get impressions on your gig listed on Fiverr, and it start attracting sellers to you, buyers to you, I mean. And when they start attracting buyers to you, from there you are able to get sales. So okay, now you've gotten the sales. What's the next thing? How do I get to do this job? I don't know how to write. As an article writer, I don't know how to write. I don't know how to even compose a sentence. That is not a problem, because with this strategy I'm teaching you right now, you'll be able to do it very well. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, the first aspect is having your cash in order to run the business, and the second aspect is having no cash. Sure, I'll be explaining having your cash with you today. The first I'll be talking about is in having your own cash in order to run the business after getting this client. And the second aspect is how to collaborate with people that do write articles. So let's go with the first. The first aspect I'll be teaching us is you'll get your money in cash. Okay, imagine you are getting an article for a certain amount of money on Fiverr for a particular amount. We pick that money we are getting for a particular amount, and we are going to look at, okay, the costs, and we come to Nigeria here, or any country where you are, and you give other writers for a minimum amount, or for a like a basic amount which is below what you're collecting that job. In that instance, most times you will make up to 50% profit, and sometimes you will make more than. And if you negotiate where there's no how, you will not be any more than the person that you are giving the job to. That is having your money. Secondly, if you don't have your money with you, you are going to just look for somebody, or either a friend, or talk to a freelancers online and tell them, okay, this is how I get my jobs. yeah, you write articles and you're an article writer. Okay, can we collaborate? When I get this job, this amount I'll be giving you, but I won't be giving that amount upfront. Anytime I'm able to withdraw my fund from Fiverr, that is when I'm going to give you. So with that, the person is happy and it's okay, no problem. And once you are always delivering to this person, believe me, you this person will keep the relationship and you guys will keep going for a very long time. With that, you don't need to even have the money in bank. All you just need to do is look for a way to create a Fiverr account, look for a way to drive sales to it, and that is you are good to go. So what I'll be doing today is I'm giving out this information that I am going to be coaching some set of persons. If you're interested, just I'll drop my phone number in the description of this video, and anybody that want to get reach to me can message me on WhatsApp, and that will be my WhatsApp number. I'll be dropping there. Message me on WhatsApp, and you can actually um have this conversation because I charge a before you message me on WhatsApp, just know I charge for this and I charge $100 for my mentorship. I'll show you how to create a freelance website. I'll show you how to create an account with Fiverr. I'll show you how to create an account with Fiverr. And apart from showing you how to create an account on Fiverr, I will put you through in other aspects, in other aspects of online money making. So what you just need to get access to means your $100. Once you're ready with your $100, you can message me, and you can also message me even though you don't have your $100 to inquire other things. But before you message me, it's nice you just have that money on ground so that I know, okay, you are starting up immediately. Okay, thank you for listening to me today. And if you know you are a new person to my channel, you're just watching me for the first time and you've not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and do click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you very much, and I was going to see you in my next video.